Hey y'all, just trying to show y'all what I'm going to be using to fertilize the garden today. I will be using the Fizz and Feed by Expert Gardener. It's 1 tablet, 1 gallon of water. 1 tablet makes 1 gallon of plant food, as you can read on the top. So the ratio of it is 12, 12, 15. If y'all familiar with it, there's nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, or it's phosphorus and potassium. Either way it go, it's still NPK. And it's in that specific ratio. I want to say the first one is the nitrogen, or the N, the second one is the P, and the third one would be the K. Either way it go, that's what I'm using to fertilize my plants today. So it's just a little tablet. I use 1 tablet to this Hawaiian Punch jug of water. That's all I do, which is 1 gallon of water. So let me put y'all down for a second, and then I'll show y'all how the tablet actually looks. So I got it open. This is how it looks. Just pop it out. It then broke up a little bit, but I just pop it out and pop it into my water. I let it fizz up. Can y'all see it fizzing? It's actually fizzing. Let me see if I can get a better angle. So can y'all see it fizzing better? Yeah, you're supposed to let it fizz before you feed your plants. So yeah, that's all you do. It's directions on the back of the box. I am not affiliated with Expert Gardener in no way, shape, or form. I did not get paid through that company. I just use some stuff, some of their products. That's it. Would I like to be affiliated? Yes, I would. So if they want to reach out to me, that'll be good. But yeah, the direction does say let it fizz and how to use it. And it says apply once a week during the growing season, whatever that means. And it says when it stops fizzing, you can apply it to the plants. I normally give it like 3 or 4 minutes actually before I do it. So see, it's done fizzing. Been fizzing up for a little while now. Still got a little bit left, so I just let it sit for 5 minutes, which is what I'm going to do, and I'll be applying it to my garden. I do not actually put it on the leaves. From my experience, if you put fertilizer on your plant leaves, depending on the type, if it's super strong, it can burn your leaves. So the point of it is just to put it around the plant so it can soak up. The roots can soak it up through the dirt. And that's what I'll be doing. I don't think I'm gonna actually film the fertilizer because I can't hold the camera and pour the water over the plants. I do not use it. This top, I got an actual another top they got holes in it that I'm using for a makeshift sprinkler this year. Next year I actually buy me a watering can. But as of right now, we're on a budget and we're gonna use what we have. All right.